Hello everyone, this is me Ratna Thapa and I welcome you in my class. Today I am here to teach you about the functions of MS Excel. So these functions are used in MS Excel for the calculations. Now let's see here. These are the table of content which you have to know today. Today you have to know first of all definition of function, then syntax of sum, average, max, mean function, then purpose of sum, average, max, mean function, then example of sum, average, max and mean function. These four functions are very important for you. It is very easy to use also, and you can do calculation in easy way and quickly you can do. Let's see here. Okay, function. What is called function? You can say function is a ready-made tools that are used to make the long formula short, and it is provided by the MS Excel, and along with it helps to make complex calculations simple. Example of functions are sum, max, mean, average. So I hope you know that what is called function. In a simple way, you can say it is a ready-made tools that are used to make the long formula short. Example is sum, max, mean, and average. Four functions you have to use for the calculation. Now sum function, you have to know first of all syntax. Syntax of sum function is sum you have to write, then you have to give the cell range here. Sum, then bracket, cell range, then bracket close. Cell range means you have to use here the first data cell address and the last data cell address. So you have to give here cell address from where to where you have to calculate. That is cell range. So syntax is sum bracket, you have to give cell range. You see here in example. You will do like this, equal to, then sum bracket C2 colon G2 bracket close. So you will give the cell address. First cell address and G2 is the last cell address. So accordingly you have to give the cell address to find the total of the numeric values. Now what is the purpose? It is used to find the total of the numeric values. So you know very well that now syntax is sum cell range. Purpose is used to find the total of the numeric values, and example is equal to. Why I have given here equal to sign? Because always formula begins with equal to sign. So I have given here equal to sum then cell range C2 to G2. That data should be calculated. Now come to the average function. Syntax is average and cell range. You have to type average, then you have to give cell range. You see example here, equal to average D2 colon F2. So from D2 to F2 you have to calculate average. And the function or the purpose of average is it is used to find the average of numeric values in the range of cell. Okay, now you have max function. Function of max function is, it is used to find the maximum values. Syntax is max and cell range. From where to where you will find out the maximum values. That is max and cell range. Example equal to max D2 to G2. You have to find from here to here. You have to find out the maximum values in the range of the cell. So once again, syntax is max and cell range. Purpose is to find the maximum values, and example is equal to max D2 colon G2. It will not be always D2 and G2. According to the data cell address you have to use here. So this is the example of max equal to max bracket D2 colon G2 bracket close. What is the purpose of max function? That is used to find the maximum values. Okay. Now you have last function, that is mean. Syntax is mean, then again you have to give the cell range. Function of mean function is to find the minimum values. And example is equal to mean C3 colon F3. From C3 to F3 you have to find out the minimum values in a cell range. So syntax is mean cell range. Purpose is to find the minimum values, and example is equal to mean and the cell range. I will show you here how do you use the function. Okay. Then I'm going to start the new worksheet here. That is okay. Okay, for one time I will show you here how do you use the formula in a long method. As you know very well, you can give the formula by shortcut method and the long way. So I will show you first of all how do you give the formula in long way. So you see here, Ram is getting the marks in computer 56, math 78, science 88, English 99, Nepali 67. So how much marks Ram will get, you have to find out the total. Okay, by long way I'm going to show you. You know very well that one by one you have to give. And when you have to give the formula, always you have to use this computer's row number. You see here, see mouse pointer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this rows, first row of your worksheet, this is computer's row number. You have to use this one. You will not use serial number, roll number. You will not use these two numbers. You will use this one, first one. When you will give the formula, you have to use column name first, then row number. Now, I'm going to start. You can give formula either in the total marks column, either you can do in formula bar. This is called formula bar, no? So you click here, you can write formula. You will start with equal to, okay. By long method, what is the cell address of this 56? Column name D, row number 2. So I will write here equals to D2 plus. Then what is the formula of 78? E2. So it is EN2 plus. Now science. What is the formula of this one? F2 plus. Then what is the formula of this 91? Column name G, row number 2. You will do here G2 plus. And 67. What is the formula of this 67? Column name H and row number 2. So you will do here H and 2. Now enter. You got here what? 388. So this is called what? Long method you are using here. So I hope and I prefer, it will be easy for you if you use function, because it makes the long formula short. So I'm going to show you once here by using the function here. I'm going to delete it. Okay, always you have to start with equal to sign. What I told you, you have to use here cell range. So you have to do first of all, you are going to find out the total. So you will use sum, you will use here sum what is happening now? Then bracket. Sum is the function. No, it will make the long formula short. Then cell range means first and last cell address only you have to mention here. What is the cell address of this 56? First cell address, that is D2. Column name D and row number 2. So I will do here D2. Then you have to give column. Then last cell address, you don't have to use the 78 cell address, 88, 99. No, you don't have to use in the function. You will use 67. What is the cell address of this one? H and 2. You will do here H and 2. Enter. Got it? Yes. Same marks you got, no? So by this way, you can use the function to find the total marks. Like this also you can use here. What you will do average marks, you will use here equals to average, you will do bracket. Again, first cell address is 56 data, cell address is D2 colon, last is 67. 67 column name H, row number 2. We will do H and 2. Yes. 77%. Ram got 77%. Okay, maximum value. In maximum value, you will do maximum is among this 56, 78, 88, 99, 67. So among this, which one is greater, you have to find out. You will do here equal to, then you will use which function? Max. Then first cell address what? D2. Last cell address is here, that is H2. H2. Enter. That is 99. Yes or not? 56, 78, 88, 99, 67. Which one is greater? This is 99. So it shows what? 99. That is 99 you got. Maximum max is 99. Now you have to find out the minimum marks among this one. So you have to use which function? I hope you know. That is main function you have to use. Bracket again. First cell address of 56 is D and 2. You will do a D2. Then last cell address is H2. H2. Enter. So 56 is the minimum max. So by this way you can find out, you can do calculation using function. I hope you know very well. And you can use fill handle here. You don't have to give the formula again and again. You bring the mouse pointer near to this 388 and you will drag it. Here also you will drag it. Drag it. Okay, then again drag it. So how I have copied the formula? By using the fill handle. This is called as fill handle. So I hope you know all of you how to use the function and how to use fill handle. And one more important thing is you can increase the width of this column by this. You bring like this. Can you? Yes, like this. You can make the or you can increase the column of the increase the width of the column. Okay. Then I'm going to share next one, that is okay, dear. If you like my video, you can subscribe, comment, and share. Then bye bye, everyone, and see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care.